Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Zelle recipient on the Chase app. Let's get started. First, open your Chase mobile app on your phone and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you're on the main dashboard where you can see your account balances and options. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Tap on the Pay and Transfer option to access all your payment services and recipient management tools. On the Pay and Transfer screen, look for and select the Manage Recipients button. This will show you all the people and businesses you've sent money to through Chase's various payment services. You'll now see different payment categories. Choose Zelle from the options to view specifically your Zelle recipients. This will display everyone you've previously sent money to using Zelle through your Chase account. Find the specific recipient you want to remove from your list. Tap on their name to open their recipient details screen where you can manage their information. In the top right corner of the recipient details screen, you'll find an Edit button. Tap this button to access the editing options for this particular recipient. Scroll down to the bottom of the Edit screen where you'll see two options, Done and Delete. Tap on the Delete button to initiate the removal process. The app will ask you to confirm that you want to delete this recipient. Tap on the red Yes, Delete button to complete the removal. The recipient will immediately be removed from your Zelle contacts list. The next time you access your Zelle recipients, this person will no longer appear in your list. Remember that deleting a recipient doesn't prevent you from sending them money in the future. You can always add them again if needed. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below. Thank you for watching.